So if integer m is equal to 0 and m is less than 8.
All right, I wrote up a quick C# method. C# and C are similar in nature, so you can probably understand the syntax here. I created a method called climb ladder, and it takes a value in that is an integer of the starting level. Now, based off what you described with int m is equal to the starting level with m less than 8 and m plus plus, this will print out Mario is on level and then whatever the level that Mario is currently on. Now, for the first go round of this, the starting level will equal to 0, and thus it will go through this loop 8 times, with level 0 being the first level. Now, if you're the one thing that I think may be confusing about this is you said you don't want him to go past level 8. Now, if you don't want him to go past level 8, then the less than should be less than or equal to. And I want to show you this before I do it. So I ran it as is with the starting level equal to 0 and all these others. And what you get is Mario is starting on level 0, and he goes from level 0 to 7. When he starts on 2, he goes from 2 to 7. And when he starts on 10, he doesn't go anywhere because he's greater than 8. Now I've changed it to m is less than and equal to 8, which means he can reach the 8th level. And what you see is it goes from 0 to 8, 2 to 8, and starting on 10 goes nowhere. I think the biggest issue that may be tripping you up is the middle condition, which sets the constraints. So when you set less than or equal to, that includes that number. Now, the alternative to do this is if you don't want to do less than or equal to 8, you can do less than 9, which also includes 8. But my opinion, you set the constraint in that, and you set the constraint in a way that makes sense. So some people always do less than or greater than a specified number. Other people do less than or equal to. This can vary on how you do it, but in my opinion, I believe because the 8th level is the highest level that you want him to be able to attain, you should do less than or equal to 8. Hopefully this clarifies.